5-star squirrel, like, swirl. Not squirrel. Like, seriously though. I love that. That's like the best swirl ever. We'll probably do that as the thumbnail. I don't know how to do thumbnails. Izzy, stop dreaming. Never gonna come true. Anyway, but yeah. Pokes of this. Sorry, I've been having like cough attacks lately. Let's do a few more pokes and stuff of this, and then we're gonna take out the blue slime. I hate the blue slime. Like, it used to be better than this, like I said a minute ago, but now it's just like, I hate Izzy. We're not gonna let her play with us because we're stupid. It's not a person. Just kidding, it can stick right back together, but yeah. I'm crazy, I'm sorry. Stop falling! Oh my gosh! What am I doing? Honestly don't know. Okay, on to the next slime. Okay, I played with that for like an hour or more off camera, so yeah. Okay, now for the demon slime. Anyway, so this is like one of also my favorite slimes. I made it with blue, borax, and that's it. Like, I used glow-in-the-dark glitter glue. Glow-in-the-dark glue, not glow-in-the-dark glitter glue. And glow-in-the-dark glue and blue glue and oh no. And borax. And that's it. That's all I used. Anyway, and it's not that sticky, honestly. It's like, it's not that sticky. Really, if you think about it, like, it's not that sticky. See, it came off. It came off my hand and stuck to that hand. It's just because I haven't played with it in a while, and, but, yeah. It's really not that sticky at all. So, and it's really not that sticky. I'm gonna go wash my hands now and throw that away. Can't even get out the door. Oh, I can't even get out the door.
Hours later. 1 eternity later.
I just went and washed my hands. That was extremely stressful. Now we're gonna play with the good slime again. Anyway, but so yeah, this is like the best slime ever. If all I used was glue, borax, and water, and that's it. But yeah. So also, if you have like little sisters or something that want to play with your slime, don't. Where did that slime? Oh, I'll put it up there. But if you have like little sisters or little brothers that would want to play in your slime, don't make watery slime. Make them a batch. Like, I made my little cousin, I think. I made my little cousin a batch, and it was like hard, and I gave it to her, and she was like, "What is this?" And it was really funny because it was like a bad batch, but she played with it anyway. And then, but yeah. So, slime is really fun to play with. It's a real big stress reliever. And yeah, I love slime. I love slime. Oh, I should have done this angle all along. Anyway, guys, that's going to be all for today's video. I hope you did enjoy. Please click the like button and the subscribe button. And remember, and click the bell so that you never miss a video. Also, comment down below what was your favorite part of the video. And yeah, would you stop? Yeah, I saw that coming. Anyway, but hit the like button and the subscribe button and click the bell so that you never miss a video. Anyway, I love you all. I love you all. Stay awesome, stay sweet, and remember, you are all a unicorn in a field of horses. Bye-bye.